me filming. Look how many boxes there are. Oh my gosh. And there's more over there. Oh gosh, guys. Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I'm doing a part 2 for my college dorm haul, so I'm super excited. I got a bunch of stuff from Target, got some stuff from Amazon, and I got some stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond, more like storage stuff. So I'm super excited. Literally, you don't know how many boxes I have around here. I just tried to make it look pretty in the frame, but I'm like just like surrounded by a bunch of boxes. So I might be turning around grabbing stuff, so yeah, just to let you guys know. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. You guys seem to really enjoy my last one. If you haven't seen it, I'll link in the card section. You guys can watch part 1 of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I post every week. So if you don't want to miss out on a video, then definitely subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell notification down below if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, we can just hop into this video. First off, I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon, like I said, and I got more, not things that I would need for my dorm necessarily, but things I would need when I go off to college. So I got this thing, blow dryer. It's like in packaging, but I'll take it off if you guys want to see it. So it's just black. It was about $14. I'll put the prices somewhere on the screen, but this is 1,875 watts, you know, just in case you're curious. And it's just like pretty standard. It's not too big, which is good because I probably won't have that much space in college. And then, yeah, so it's really cool and comes with an end piece because sometimes I like to just like blow dry my hair straight. So this is going to be really great, and the end piece will be great for that. I got this Revlon straightener. This is, I think, a 1-inch, and I've already tried it. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Mixed emotions, mixed feelings, because I really like my Chi one. Maybe it's because I put on a lower setting, so maybe I'll try it like on like 340 or something, and we'll see how it goes. But still trying this out, not sure how I feel about it, but it was about $24. And then another thing is this heat resistant pad. This is really good if you have like heating tools like my straightener or something, and you need a place to like let it dry, you know, cool down, but you're like running late or something. You need to like have it dry somewhere and cool off. This is really good. You literally just like stick it, like lay it somewhere, and then you can like just put your flat iron on it and it won't burn it. All I got from Amazon. Now let's go into what I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. So all I got from there are more storage stuff. So I got 2 of these underbed storage bags. So they are gray with white trimming. So it's from the brand Studio 3B. So this is what it looks like. It's just perfect if you want to put, I'll probably put like extra sheets, extra pillows, bed stuff probably in one of these. I also got this 6-shelf sweater organizer. This is what it looks like. It's also that gray pattern or gray color. And then what's really cool about this is it has like 6 different sections, and you can put like sweaters, but I'll probably put like sweaters and then like shoes at the bottom because they're pretty spacious. So you can probably put like 2 pairs of shoes in each section. So that's really cool. And then it has these mesh pockets on the side, which is really nice. I could probably put like extra stuff like house slippers or things that I have to like run out the door with, maybe like keys, ID, sunglasses, stuff like that. So that's really cool. Last thing I got from Bed Bath & Beyond is a lamp. So this is what it looks like. I think if you buy it in store, it's a lot cheaper because online I have to pay like the $14.99 one, but I had a coupon, so yeah. But this is just a functional desk lamp. I don't know the brand. It doesn't say here. Maybe it's called Equip Your Space. I think that's the brand. But it's really cool because you can actually have like, you can actually like stand your iPads here, your phone. So it has like a little section for that. And then it just has the lamp. And then it has a 1-amp USB port and polarized outlets. Really good because you don't know where I don't know where my desk is going to be. So I don't know like where, if I'm going to have a lot of outlets and stuff like that. And I have a lot of stuff. So I'm going to need all the chargers and outlets I need. So this is really cool. So got that, and it's just like a white color. It's just the standard desk lamp most people get. So got that. Now moving on to Target, which I bought a bunch of stuff from, so get ready. So first thing that isn't from Target, but I'm bringing to college with me, still pretty new, is this Velox. It's basically just like a really big blanket. I'll probably be using this when it gets really cold, like winter time, because it's really thick, and I probably won't use it like right now. So this is really nice, and it's still, I took it out of the packaging, but this is what it looks like. I think I got from Macy's, but yeah, it has like that like thick thing, so I think it's gonna keep me warm, hopefully, in the dorms. Next thing I have is my bedding. Oh my gosh, this is huge. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a 4-piece bed and throw set. It's a, I think, gray. I don't know what the name of this one is, but it's basically like a gray geometric pattern, and then it has like touches of blush with it. So it comes with a comforter, a standard sham, a throw, which is the pink one, and then a decorative pillow, which is this gray one. So the theme of my room is blush with gray and then like touches of white. So that is what this thing is, and it's twin XL if you guys are curious. It was about $30 something, so my arm hurts. So yeah, I thought it was just really nice. I didn't want anything like super crazy. I just kind of wanted a just like traditional, like, you know, bed like comforter, but like, and then like spice it up with pillows. That's kind of what I envisioned. So I kind of kept it simple with like the geometric pattern. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look that big hopefully on camera, but it's a little bit bigger than the other pillow, so we'll see. But yeah, it's like this blush color. It has like that like really nice, like, I feel like suede material. It's not really suede, but it has like a very nice soft material. It's perfect because my room is blush, so I got this. Another thing is a trash can. This is kind of dirty, so I have to clean it, but it's like this frosted material, and I'm gonna put this in the bathroom because in my dorm we have like a suite style where we have our own bathroom. So this is gonna be really nice to put in the bathroom. So I got that. The next thing that's like for decor is this really cool succulent. I've been obsessed with like succulents, and I wanted one for my dorm to kind of bring some greenery into my room. So I have this. It's really cute, and I just really like it. It has that white look. Is this letterboard, and I'm obsessed with letterboards, and I just can't wait to like put a bunch of like just like change it up. So I'm really excited for that, and it has like that like gray thing. It's a little bit darker, but I think it'll be really nice, and it's not that big. It's, I don't know what the size is. It's 12 by 12 by 1.5, so 12 by 12. So yeah, it's not that big compared to most letterboards, but it's still pretty nice and still pretty big. So can't wait to put some sayings and quotes and scriptures on there. Super excited. A clock. I don't want to take it out of the packaging, so I'll probably insert a picture here, but it's basically just you can use it as a wall or a table clock. I'm probably going to use it as a table clock. I've always been used to having clocks in my room, so I think this is really nice. It's not like anything like crazy. I feel like it's very simplistic. So it's like with a blush trimming, and then it's like white and black. So I think it's super cute, and I can't wait to just put in my room. I think it's a nice decorative piece, but it also helps me like know what time it is. So that's really nice. I also have this thing, which you guys can't see either because it's in the packaging, but this is a toothbrush holder, the same design as the trash can for my bathrooms. This will obviously go in the bathroom as well. So I got that. And then I got two more things. I got two more pillows. This pillow is really cute. It's like this like suede material. This is suede. I don't know what the material is for the other one, but it's super cute. It has like this design. It kind of has like an ombre feel because it's like really like light blush, and this is like a mauve color. So it's really cute. And it's I don't know, I'm reading, but I think it's really cool. Oh, it's I don't know what kind of thing it is. And then the back, I think it's really cool because it has a different design. Like you can still like kind of like turn it wherever you want. So really cute. If you don't want this one, you can like just turn it around, and it has like an ombre effect too on the back. So it's cute. Last thing I got is this pillow. I thought it was really cute. I kind of wanted to bring in some white and then like some gray. So this one says Dream Chaser. I didn't know it would be metallic. I kind of like wish it wasn't, but I mean, whatever. So yeah, I thought it was cute, simple, and I kind of wanted something a little bit different. And I thought it was just cool. So I got this. So those are all of the things that I got for my bedding and for my dorm so far. I still need to get like pillows, a mattress pad / topper, over the door hanging mirror. What else do I need? extra storage bins and storage drawers for my closet. So those are other things that I need. Oh, and a trash can for my bedroom. I almost forgot about that. So yeah, still need to get some stuff. I probably want to do like a part 3. You guys will just have to wait and see when I move in and do my dorm tour. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe if you're new and want to stick around and join the fam here. It's pretty fun. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Click the bell notification down below if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.